How's it going, YouTube? Speckham Auto is back with another video today. So this is going to be a pretty quick, short, easy video. It's going to be a fun little unboxing. Requested by my brother Scott. Shout out to him. Thank you for getting me this random birthday gift, I guess. I'm actually kind of excited to open it. So if you guys know brain rot, you guys know Skibidi toilet. Well, yeah. Yeah, anyway. So we're going to do a quick unboxing video today, per request by my brother, who sent me Skibidi Toilet, Series 1. So, I don't know a whole lot about the Skibidi Toilet lore, but there is part of the potty humor that we kind of find funny. So anyway, yep, here's Skibidi Toilet Series 1. My birthday was on the 7th of February, and I didn't get it delivered until, what was it, like the 26th or something like that? Some really long time after my birthday, because Amazon was sucking, I guess. But anyway, obviously this video is not sponsored by anybody. It's not sponsored by Skibidi Toilet. It's not sponsored by Skibidi Toilet. It's not sponsored by Amazon or anybody. This is literally just a gift that my brother bought for me. So we're going to unbox it. So let's go ahead and get to it. This video will probably end up just being pure and unedited. So let's just get to it. Skibidi Toilet. Now, what was the point in the separate plastic up here? Look at that. That's so random. Now they gotta... Oh, I almost dropped it. I'm not trying to destroy Skibidi Toilet right now. Oh my god. This plastic is not coming apart very well. Oh, something started to pop up. Hold on. Get this plastic out of here. Come on. Okay. Oh, got a little bit. This last little bit is always a pain. Whatever. Anyway, here we go. Skibidi Toilet. What's he supposed to do? Dude, I'm so confused right now. I'm assuming he's supposed to pop up somehow, but... let's just do it like this. Whoa. His head's not coming out. You can see his head in there. Hey, there we go. You gotta push this button on the bottom. That's how you get his head out of there. I'm trying to figure this thing out. I'm figuring it out with you guys right now. And there's a whole different section of this Skibidi Toilet guy that opens up from the top. Let me scoot back so you guys can see it. Yeah, see, this top part comes off. And it comes with... let's start with this. Oh, it's this is like a little advertisement. Collect them all, Series 1. So this is all the Skibidi Toilet characters you can collect, I guess. Like I said, I don't really know anything about the lore of it and stuff. I just know it's brain rot. You got mystery figures, 2.5-inch minifigures, 4.5-inch standard figures. We got Cameraman, Speaker Man, Skibidi Toilet, Speaker One, TV Man, G Toilet, Plunger Man, TV Woman. Okay. Cameraman. Oh, it's the mystery plushes now. You got figures and plushes. So it's just gonna be the same shit, but in plush form. This is interesting. I don't know. I have no relation to Generation A at all, so I don't really know their brain rot stuff. Let's see what this says. Oh, boring battery replacement stuff. No one cares about that. Ooh, mystery bag. I wonder what's in this mystery bag. What is this, like a sticker pack? I think it's like little stickers. Now my curiosity is peaking because there's a lot of different things I wasn't expecting out of it. Yeah, it's a different sticker pack thing. So you got this sticker thing. This sticker guy. I don't know if the camera can focus on him. Then we got Skibidi Toilet pissed off, I guess. And then we got a little bit of bromance there. Okay, interesting. There's a couple of these little bags in here, so I'm kind of curious. So here's another Skibidi Toilet mystery bag. I can already tell you right now this video isn't going to get any views or anything, but it's still kind of fun to do anyway. I'm having a good time. Alright, we got like a little figure in here. Looks like Speaker Woman. I think that's what the character's called. Cool. A little Skibidi Toilet figure. And then we got... Damn. We got 2 more bags to open. Don't worry, it's not going to be too much longer. I was honestly just expecting to pop the Skibidi Toilet open, and that was it. I didn't know there was going to be a bunch of stuff in here. What the fuck is this? Look, it's got a whole ass... I gotta put this down. Look, we got a whole freaking Skibidi Toilet lanyard with Skibidi Toilet thing on inside of the badge thing with a little QR code. Scan for special content. Whoa, I wonder what the special brain rot's gonna be. I'm so excited, huh? I really am gonna scan it though. I'm curious, but what am I gonna scan it with? I'm not gonna do that right now. Let's do that later. And then we got 1 more bag out of this toilet. So 1 more mystery bag. What's in this last bag, guys? You guys think you can guess what's in it? Oh, interesting. I'll tell you guys, it's another little figurine. What am I going to do with all these figurines? I have no idea. But cool, I guess. We got Cameraman. Nice. Look, he's got 2 plungers. One's on his back and he's got one in his hand. He's ready to make Skibidi his bitch. But yeah, that's everything that's opened inside of the toilet. The only thing I'm disappointed with is that the fucking toilet doesn't play the Skibidi song. See, that comes up, and then you just hold it and flush it. Maybe if you hold it. No. Man, that's a little disappointing. I was hoping that they would at least play the Skibidi Toilet song. Oh well. Well, see, for right now, I could put all my little Skibidi toilet goodies into my Skibidi toilet. So I got all my figures, my stickers, and my lanyard. All inside of my Skibidi. Skibidi toilet. Like, share, subscribe. See you later.